Welcome learners, especially those who are in Form 4 pursuing a MANEB exam, a MANEB curriculum. I would like to share with you some important essays, potential essay questions in your Msce exams. Alright, so I compiled a number of topics from which essay questions can be derived. Alright, so among them, for example, you're going to be asked to describe the process of photosynthesis in paper 1 of your biology Msce exam, question 13 or 14. You can be asked to describe the process of photosynthesis, or you can be asked to describe any 5 ways in which a plant leaf is adapted to its function. Your answer should include or should be in essay form. Alright, so this document will actually guide you on how you can present your answers, how to present your answer in the essay form. Alright. You can have a question that says, explain 5 ways in which glucose is used by the plant after photosynthesis. Alright. Explain 5 ways in which glucose is used by the plant after photosynthesis. Okay. Or a question you can say, describe an experiment that could be carried out to show that fresh green leaves contain 3 types of pigments. Your answer should include procedures, results, and the conclusion in essay form, in an essay form. Alright. So questions can come in different forms depending on the topic of interest. From transport in plants, you can have the following questions, potential questions. For example, this one is saying, describe briefly the process by which water enters the root hairs and escapes from the leaves at the top of a tall tree. This is about transpiration, the transpiration stream. Alright. Or a question can say, describe an experiment you would do to show that transpiration from leaves affects uptake of water. Your answer should be in form of an essay. Alright. Okay. You can have a question that says, describe an experiment that could be carried out to show that light intensity affects transpiration in leafy shoots. Your answer should include procedure, expected results, and the conclusion. Some questions based on, alright, you can have this one also based on transpiration. Describe any 5 ways in which a phloem is adapted to its function. Explain your answer. Your answer should be in essay form. So this booklet is actually a guide to essay writing in biology. Alright. A question can ask you to describe 5 problems. Describe 5 problems associated with the human digestive system and state how each problem can be controlled. Your answer should be in essay form. So get hold of this booklet and have a look at the model answers which I prepared for you so that you are sure about what you should be able to write in the exams. Describe an experiment that could be conducted to show that a germinating seed contains an enzyme that digests starch? Your answer should include procedure, expected results, and the conclusion. Remember that an essay question is worth 10 marks. Therefore, it is important for you to learn how to write essays very well and correctly. Describe how cooked starch and proteins are chemically digested in the human gut. This is the human digestive system. All right. Another one, explain 5 functions of the liver related to digestion. Only those functions that relate to digestion. All right. Explain 5 vitamins and their respective functions. Explain any 5 vitamins and their respective functions. And your answer should be in essay form. All right. Your answer should be in form of an essay. Describe the fate of the end products of digestion in the bodies of human beings. All right. So first, you must identify the end products of digestion, such as glucose, fatty acids, and the amino acids. What happens to each of these after digestion? All right, so grab this. I'll put this in the description so where you can download it. Okay, so there are more questions for you to look at. Write an essay describing the process of blood clotting. Yeah.